Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about styling this dress. So you must have seen how I made this dress. You must have seen a video of how to make this dress by yourself, and if you haven't seen the video, I'm going to leave a link right here or right here so you guys can watch it so you can make yours yourself. So if you haven't seen the link and you want to just see how to style this dress in different ways, keep on watching. So I decided to style this dress in different ways, maybe 5 or 6 ways thereabouts. So just keep on watching. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome to the family. Please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
In the night, you wake me up when the sun goes down. Feelings right, you wake me up when the sun goes down. Sleepless nights, you wake me up when the sun goes down. I can't help it, baby, not myself when the sun goes down.